This question is a perfect example of not leaving a question before reading it at least once. And the question looks lengthy, but it is actually a very easy question if obviously you are thorough with the concepts of quadratic equations. Also, you can save plenty of time by using certain techniques of making another equations such that the roots of the given equation are k less or k more than the roots of the given equation. Okay, so let's begin. Now here, the first person Monu, while making a quadratic equation, took the roots which are one more. So Monu has taken the roots as one more and he has given the equation this one. So the actual equation should have the roots which are one less than the roots of this equation. So what we'll do is, instead of x we will substitute x plus 1 and we will get the correct quadratic equation that Monu should have made. Okay, so after doing substitution I will get x plus 1 square minus 3 times x plus 1 plus 7 equal to 0. Simplifying, you will get x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x minus 3 plus 7 equal to 0, and x square minus x plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the first correct equation to be obtained by Monu. Now let's talk about second person. Sonu, on the other hand, while making another quadratic equation, took the roots which are one less. So he has taken the roots which are one less and given the equation this one. So the correct equation will be formed if the roots are one more. So in this scenario, we'll substitute x minus 1 instead of x and we'll obtain the correct quadratic equation to be made by Sonu. So x minus 1 whole square, I'm just doing the substitution in minus x minus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. So x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. So the correct quadratic equation will be x square minus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Now the sum of the roots of the first equation, I'll call it S1, is 1, and product of the roots of the first equation is 5. For the second equation, sum of the roots S2, I can write it as 3, and product of the roots for this equation is 10. Now Tina made her quadratic equation whose sum of the roots is sum of all the roots of the correct equations of Sonu and Monu. So for Tina, the sum of the roots, I'll call it S3, should be the sum of the roots. So that is equal to 1 plus 3, which is 4. And product of the roots is the product of the roots of all the both the equations made by Sonu and Monu. So it will be 5 into 10, that is 50. Using this, I'll make a quadratic equation, and this will be the equation made by Tina. So x square minus 4x plus 50 equal to 0. So comparing, the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 4, the value of c is 50. The sum of a, b and c, 1 minus 4 and plus 50 is equal to 47. So the correct answer of this question will be equal to 47. All right.